Hello everyone, welcome to German Lingos. In this video, you will be learning names of various stationery items which are used in a classroom. Before we begin our topic, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Im Klassenzimmer. Please repeat after me for correct pronunciation. Im Klassenzimmer. Im means in, Klassen means class, and Zimmer means room. So, together, Klassenzimmer means classroom. Der Tisch, die Tische. Der Tisch, die Tische. Der Stuhl, die Stühle. Once again, der Stuhl, die Stühle. Die Tafel, die Tafeln. Once again, die Tafel, die Tafeln. Die Kreide, die Kreiden. Please repeat after me. Die Kreide, die Kreiden. As you have already learned in my video on tips, tricks and hacks of German articles and genders, that nouns ending with E are mostly feminine. In case you have not watched that video, please do check it out. I will give its link in the description box. I am sure that video will help you a lot about the genders of German nouns and their articles. Let's check out the next stationery item. Der Schwamm, die Schwämme. Once again, der Schwamm, die Schwämme. It is used to wipe the board. Das Smartboard, the Smartboards. Das Smartboard, the Smartboards. Der Marker, the Marker. Once again, der Marker, the Marker. Der Rucksack, die Rucksäcke. Once again, der Rucksack, die Rucksäcke. Do let me know in the comment section what is the color of your backpack. Write the name of color in German. In case you have not seen my video on colors, please check it out. I will give its link in the description box. Das Heft, die Hefte. Please repeat after me. Das Heft, die Hefte. Das Buch, die Bücher. Das Buch, die Bücher. Die Federmappe, die Federmappen. You can break the word if you find it long. and then pronounce it. For example, the Federmappe, the Federmappen. I hope now you got it correct. Der Kuli, the Kulis. Der Kuli, the Kulis. Der Bleistift, the Bleistifter. Once again, der Bleistift, the Bleistifter. Der Bleistiftspitzer, the Bleistiftspitzer. You can break the word to pronounce correctly. Der Bleistiftspitzer, die Bleistiftspitzer. Der Buntstift, the Buntstifter. Once again, der Buntstift, the Buntstifter. Der Radiergummi, the Radiergummis. Now here also you can break the word like der Radiergummi, the Radiergummis. Die Malkreide, die Malkreiden. Repeat after me. Die Malkreide, die Malkreiden. Das Lineal, die Lineale. Das Lineal, die Lineale. Der Textmarker, die Textmarker. Der Textmarker, die Textmarker. Der Zirkel, the Circle. Once again, listen carefully. Der Circle, the Circle. Der Winkel, the Winkel. Der Winkel, the Winkel. Das Papier, the Papiere. Das Papier, the Papiere. Das Arbeitsblatt, the Arbeitsblätter. Listen carefully. Das Arbeitsblatt, the Arbeitsblätter. Die Mappe, die Mappen. Die Mappe, die Mappen. Let's check out the next word. Der Ordner, the Ordner. Der Ordner, the Ordner. Die Landkarte, the land carton, the land carter, the land carton. Das Plakat, the placater. Das Plakat, the placater. Der Globus, the Globen. Der Globus, the Globen. Der Papierkorb, the Papierkörbe. Der Papierkorb, the Papierkörbe. Der Büroklammer, the Büroklammern. Once again, der Büroklammer, the Büroklammern. Der Taker, the Taker. Der Taker, the Taker. Der Locker, the Locker. Der Locker, the Locker. The Sharer, the Sharon. The Sharer, the Sharon. Der Kleber, the Kleber. Der Kleber, the Kleber. So these were the words which you must learn. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. See you soon in my next video. Danke. Thanks for watching.